Hey everybody, got a quick one for you today because I like to open these boxes together. We got a box here from Tyndale. By the way, Tyndale, I'm going to say this every time I see one of your boxes show up. I love that you have your own tape. It just makes me happy. That's all. For those of you guys who might be new here, my name is Steve. And while you're here, you're going to get challenged and encouraged to be the Christian that you claim to be. And we're going to do that by going through scripture and reviewing solid tools and resources to help make your day-to-day better and more Christ-focused. One of those things, like I said, is resources. This is a box of resources. I actually don't even know what's in here, so I'm super excited. We're unboxing this together. Tyndale sent me some Bibles to review for you guys because there are lots of tools out there that we can use to make our day-to-day lives as Christians better and more focused on Christ. And unfortunately, you can't just go into a store these days and pick out a Bible and take a look at it. So I do my best to show you guys solid resources that are trustworthy. And if they're not, I want to let you know that also. So we can be in the Word and studying God every day. So let's take a look. All right, so ooh, look at this. I heard that this was coming out, and I'm pretty excited about it. So this is the NLT. These are all, again, these are put out by Tyndale, so these are all going to be New Living Translation Bibles. This is the NLT, New Living Translation Filament Bible. I'll drop a link to the other videos that I've done on this, but we'll do a review of this one. I think the Filament app that goes along with this Bible is one of the coolest, one of the coolest adaptations of a Bible that I've ever seen. So you're going to want to stay tuned for this. This is personal size, brown, genuine leather. So very nice Bible. Let's just open it up real quick and take a look. Ooh. Pretty. All right, ooh, nice little art gilding there. All right, we'll do full reviews on all of these. I like to spend some time with the Bibles and do my best to do my research so I can do a good review for you guys. So it'll be a week or two before the full review comes out. But NLT personal size, giant print. All right, let's take a look at number 2. This is the one that they're going to like. Handson Bible. NLT Handson Bible looks like it's designed for kids, packed with experiences that get kids into the Bible. So I'm looking forward to taking a look at this, and maybe we'll bring some of my kids into the video because this Bible is designed for kids. And it's a pretty blue. Maybe Tyndale sees some of these videos and know that I'm a big blue fan. Feels like a leather touch. What's Tyndale calling it? We'll have to do some research. It doesn't have it right on the outside of there, but it actually is pretty smooth. It's not genuine leather, but that's okay. It's a kid's Bible. Very cool. I'm excited to take a look at what's in there. It looks like there's a lot of little kid-based, child-based helps and study materials in there. Perfect. All right, let's keep going. So I've read a little bit about this Bible, so I'm excited to actually see inside of one and do some research on it. The Life Recovery Bible. So this is a Bible for people in 12-step, in a 12-step program, because you know what? Some of us have addictions and things that we're trying to get through, and guess what? Part of a 12-step program is your higher power. We as Christians know that our higher power is the one and only higher power, which is God the Father, and He can bring us through anything. So I'm excited to hear what the theologians and scholars that have commented on that process is. 12-step devotionals, the Serenity Prayer. Okay, so we'll take a look at this and again do a full review. But that is the Life Recovery, the second edition, Life Recovery Bible. And again, rustic brown, leather-like. I'll tell you, these leather-like Bibles have gotten so nice. When I was a kid, they weren't like this. The leather, the bonded leather or the leather-like material just was not as nice as it is now. And we have one more. Let's get rid of the box. Every Man's Large Print. Men and women deal with different things, right? We go through different things. We see life through a different set of glasses, so to speak, and that influences and affects our walk with God and the sins and struggles and the praises that we have. So this Bible is focused on men and what men go through. So I'm excited to take a look at that and review it for you guys. All right, so this has been a quick one. This is just an unboxing. These will all have full reviews in the near future. Every Man's Bible, large print, Life Recovery Bible, giant print NLT Filament Bible. Again, super cool Filament. And a kid's Handson Bible. This is probably one of the first kids' Bibles that I've ever done, so I'm excited to go through it with you guys. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, be who you claim to be. Make sure that you're subscribed and hit that thumbs up so you know when the reviews for these Bibles come out. And you know, if you're a regular follower and you've gotten, I've earned your subscription. If you feel led to donate to this channel to help keep this ministry going, I'll drop a link to my PayPal account down in the description. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything specific down in the comments that you want me to look at in one of these Bibles, and I'll make sure to, during the review, to touch on that. Have a great day.